Ma'am, you got your license for me? I've asked you like 3 times. Okay, can I?
Okay, bring your arms down. All right, just relax your arms here behind your back, please.
On March 23, 2024 at 11:17 p.m., a Nissan Altima blasted through a red light at a major intersection, triggering a violent 3-vehicle crash that left over $23,000 in property damage in its wake.
Nobody's hurt? You're not hurt, ma'am?
No.
Okay. Which way were you going?
No, we're right here. It happened right in front of us. We reversed.
Where in the intersection?
Right where the police car just was like a second ago. You see the skid marks that the dark one?
Right there?
Over to the right, yeah. Right where that car is.
Did you find your license, insurance, and registration?
I have everything right here.
Get it. Were you in that car?
Yes, sir.
Okay, have your license, insurance, and registration ready. Which direction? I need your license, insurance, and registration.
Do you mind if we act up or anything?
Let me get your info real quick. Which direction were you headed?
I was going east.
Okay.
East, and I was going east. And you can act up for anything.
Which lane were you in?
I was in the middle lane heading east, and I had a green light.
And where did the impact take place?
The impact took place. You can see the marks.
Right here in this.
I was going
here.
in this lane. Yeah. Nowhere.
Where'd she come from?
She says I think she's intoxicated. She's coming from there. She's coming straight through.
Okay.
Did they tell you I had a green light? The 2 witnesses.
They didn't say anything about colors of lights, but I'm not concerned with colors of lights right now.
Okay, I just want to know.
You good? You don't need rescue? No? Are you going to be able to cross over, get out your car this way, or no?
No, I stay for the light.
No? What can you tell me? You were waiting for the light to change, okay?
Guys, I stay here. Hey.
License, insurance, and registration. Just have it ready for me. Me too. Keep an eye. You got your license for me?
I do. I'm nervous.
He's nervous. He's nervous. You too. Keep an eye on her.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go. All right, hold it for me 1 second. Maybe I need your assistance.
Where is okay.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
Can you go to info
Yeah.
and see if by chance there's a Tango unit? This is good. And you know what? And do me another favor.
I'm on.
Me too. She's a front seat passenger.
Yes.
Anybody else in the car? Or no.
We had 3 kids in the car.
They were all in the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Car seats and everything.
I need the insurance for the truck, whatever insurance the truck has. I'm gonna use this if you guys want to move over here real quick. Thank you. Here, you can have the registration so I don't lose it. Let me go double look at the damage real quick. Be able to tell me was like initial impact on the car. And then it probably wrapped around, I'm guessing.
Straight, and she was,
You were going this way.
yeah. She's in front of me. I turned to try to avoid her. The first impact was the left side.
Driver's side.
We hit complete on, but it was driver's side, left side.
Can you do me a huge favor? I'm on. I think his car's good where it is.
Because I tried to avoid her by turning the wheel to the right.
I'm getting the feeling she's going to try to boogie on us here in a minute on foot. She's telling somebody on the phone, I don't care, her DL's screwed up. Were you able to get me your insurance or your registration or anything? I've asked you like 3 times. Okay, can I have it, please? Yazinski, watch in there for me, please.
Hey, she's taking a right now. Her. I'm on. I'm recording.
Okay.
Ma'am, I need to speak with you across the street if you don't mind, okay?
Right, over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Never.
I will.
All right. So that, come on over here. Stand right here.
Right here?
Yes, ma'am. You know, so first what I want to do is I want to take a look at drives in a particular way. So, no, but that, like right. All right.
Face-
You gotta place your feet together so no space in between.
Facing you?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. You gotta keep your arms
Like
wide.
this?
All the way together.
This side or the front?
Feet together, hands to your side.
Okay.
Okay. Next, what I want you to do is I want you to, you see the top of this pen?
I do.
This pen to your left and to your right, and I want you to follow it only with your eyes, keeping your head still. Do you understand?
Just my eyes. Follow it.
Just with your eyes, okay? All right, let's begin. No.
Do I follow it or no?
I want you to follow the pen only with
With
your
the
eyes.
eyes,
Feet
okay.
together again. All right, let's try it again. All right, you can stay normal. Come on over here, please, ma'am. Technically, there's 3 lines here, so we're going to use the center line.
I see.
Center road.
Okay.
Okay?
Where?
Now turn your body around.
So you what? Here?
Turn your body facing that way. Okay.
This is
Okay.
center. Here and here.
Right, we're going to use the line.
No, wait. Okay, so here.
Yes.
Ooh.
When I refer to the line, that's the line I want you to stand on, okay? So
Okay.
for now, what I'd like you to do is go ahead and place your left foot on the line, on the center line.
I see it, but I'm kind of off.
Place your right foot directly in front of your left foot so you're standing heel touching toe. You're going to keep your arms into your side.
No, I see it. Don't.
And not before. You're going to take 9 steps forward.
9?
9 steps forward. Heel, touch, and toe. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9, okay?
Gotcha.
After your 9th step, you're going to leave your front foot on the surface, and you're taking several little steps around your front foot without lifting your front foot off the surface.
After failing field sobriety tests, the driver blew an astonishing BAC over .23, nearly 3 times the legal limit, and threatened to spit in an officer's face while being escorted to a holding cell.
And then you're going to come back doing the same thing. Heel, touch, and toe, counting out loud. Again, watching your feet with your hands to your side. You understand? Stop until you're done, okay?
Okay, I got it. Okay.
You may begin now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What you want me to do? Turn around? I'm scared. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know. 2, 3, 4. I don't know. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my boyfriend.
All right, so this next exercise is called the one-leg stand.
How you doing, sir? Can I help you?
One-leg stand exercise. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to demonstrate it.
Okay, well, right now they're conducting a DUI investigation, so...
I'll ask you if you understand, and then I'll let you do it, okay?
So we'll let you know what happens. So, okay?
Okay. All right.
She's got involved in an accident. They're doing a DUI investigation.
When I tell you to begin, what you're going to do
And we'll go from there, okay?
is you're going to lift either your left or your right foot directly out in front of you, and I'm about to show you, okay? That foot needs to be directly out in front of you. You need to look at your foot to count out loud for 30 seconds. This is the way you're going to do it, just like this, okay? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, just like that, okay? For 30 seconds.
Okay.
So, if you happen to place your foot down during those 30 seconds, so what I'm saying is this, if you're counting 1001, 1002, you need to pick it back up and continue counting from the last number that you left off at. 1003, 1004, see what I'm saying? Okay. All right, 1 sec, okay? It lasts for 30 seconds approximately. I will tell you when to stop once you begin, okay? And you may begin now.
5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
All right, the last exercise is called the finger to nose exercise.
Okay.
What you're going to do is this. For that exercise, your feet are going to be together. Your hands are going to be like mine to the side. During the exercise, your eyes will be closed and your head will be tilted back. How to do this, okay? All right. Arm, when I ask for your right arm, you're going to bring your right arm up. You're going to bring a tip of your index finger to touch the tip of your nose. Arm goes automatically back down to your side, okay? Needs to be the tip, like your nail.
Okay.
Make sure that you use the tip of your index finger to the tip of your nose, not the pad of your finger. Okay? Clear? All right.
Got it.
Come
Can
forward.
I touch this or no?
Come on over here. Why do you need to touch it?
Oh, I don't have to go that far up. Oh my God.
Okay, so I need you to turn your body to face my car.
I need a little support. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right, so only your index fingers pointing down.
Okay.
Eyes closed, head tilted back, and we're going to begin, okay?
Are we starting?
Right. Okay, bring your arms down. Left.
I'm scared.
Okay, bring your arms down. All right, just relax your arms here behind your back, please. Breath charges driving under the influence of an alcoholic beverage, a chemical substance, or... So what I'm doing here, ma'am, is I am placing you under arrest to charge. It's my opinion that you're under the influence.
Did I not pass the test?
No, they're not. So under Florida law, you are required to submit to a breath test to determine the alcoholic content of your breath. They're not pass or fail, first off. And based upon how you perform, it's my opinion that you're under the influence of an alcoholic beverage.
Yes, really,
Will you do that?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, great.
Really crazy.
Excellent. The faculties are impaired.
I felt like I passed everything.
Okay.
1,000%.
Okay.
1,000%.
Thank you. Okay.
That shit's so cap. Oh God, babe.
Let yourself in, man. Come on.
Huh?
Are you okay if you take your purse?
Please, I want him to take everything.
Come on, sit back.
Following the arrest on March 23, 2024, the driver was transported to the County Detention Center for formal booking and chemical testing. Her late-night decision to run a red light at a major intersection caused a chain reaction crash involving 3 vehicles, inflicting roughly $20,000 in front-end damage to one car and $3,000 in driver's side damage to another. In court, the prosecution presented a devastating body of evidence against the driver. Responding officers documented an immediate, strong odor of alcohol on her person, alongside heavily slurred speech, leading to her failed roadside field sobriety tests. State breathalyzer results later returned 2 valid samples registering extreme blood alcohol levels of 0.234% and 0.243%, well over the legal limit. Off-camera records further highlighted her aggressive post-arrest behavior, during which she demanded an officer remove her mask so she could spit in his face. The driver was formally prosecuted on a long list of charges, including DUI first offense, DUI with property damage 2 counts, DUI with a BAC over .15, driving while license suspended, failure to use due care, and failure to provide proof of insurance. Given the severity of the property damage and the exceptionally high blood alcohol concentration, the court imposed heavy fines, mandated alcohol rehabilitation programs, and ordered full restitution for the damaged vehicles. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.